We all have one of these drawers, right? Oh yeah. And oh yeah. So because we got school coming up, I'm going to get this all cleaned up and it's no longer going to be a hot mess. Step 1, take it all out. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Stuff I don't know. That connection goes there. I got clips, magnets, safety pins, more screws. I don't understand the screws. And bolts. Okay. Really? Oh yeah, little baby safety pin. Oh, that's paper clips and safety pins are not the same. Oh, that one's really... What? And then neither are bolts. I don't understand why I have bolts. Wait a minute, I saw something fall. Yep, right there. Oh, wow. Tiny. Tiny nail. Tiny nail. That there. There, check it out. Ta-da! Step 1. Done.